Today, the club. Mandy, how are you today, ma'am? Why do you have a black nail? Well, where'd you put that thing? Oh. Mandy, have you ever had a Boo's cheesesteak? I have. This is your idea. You want to go eat a cheesesteak from Boo's.
Dude, I've been gone for 10 years and I wanted to experience it all over again.
Yeah, they didn't have cheesesteaks in Rhode Island, did they?
Well, either. We got to go there next.
We've all been there before. We know what to expect. It's going to be a glorious day.
All right, let's go.
All right. We're going to start the day off right with a wheelie, especially if we're going to have a glorious Boo's cheesesteak today. They're swapping the bags. Oh, sorry about your luck, buddy. Whenever there's a cop around, everybody drives like a complete idiot. Nobody wants to pass the cop. Everybody's nervous. It's got to be annoying for the police, to be honest. Everyone's holding them up all the time. It's got to be annoying. If you're a cop, let me know, man. How annoying is it? I'm driving around in a cruiser. Everybody wanting to go slow in front of you. Let's give away some LUIMOTO Gold Gel. For those of you that commented, I love LUIMOTO in the previous video, throwing explosives at my friends. And if you aren't familiar yet with LUIMOTO's Gold Gel, it's a glorious thing, man. It's an insert, goes inside your stock seat, simple to install. It'll make your motorcycle rides way more comfortable, man. It's totally worth it. All right, random comment picker. Remember, you had to write I love LUIMOTO in the comments. Looks like Nate Venus. Congratulations, buddy. All right, Nate. Do me a favor, send me an email, suburbandelinquent@gmail.com. We'll get you all sorted out. Big shout out to LUIMOTO for hooking you guys up. They love giving away stuff on my channel, man. So check back, dude. We'll do this again real soon. I promise you that. Congratulations, Nate. Again, send me that email. And now back to the video. Enjoy. Freeway is always such a shit show. What do we got here, man? You know, whoever owns this bus has a good time. Hell yeah. Riding in California is like no other, man. You see how everybody gets out of your way? Love it. My man. Thanks, sir. Thank you. It's in the back of this truck, man. It's like spraying all over me. It's sand. Come on, dude. Put a tarp over that. Inconsiderate prick right there. If you didn't know. That car looks bad. Someone had a horrible day. Hope they're all right. Is that dude just hanging out? See, cashier, but it was working. 15 on 3, I think, where the blue bike is right there. Walking it.
Nonsense, no parking.
It says online orders and deliveries.
You have to order online?
I guess. COVID.
What is this? Like everywhere else is open. What are these people doing?
LA County's different.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What names on your order?
His is
Caleb. Caleb?
Thanks.
Thanks. You're welcome.
Alright. Well, unfortunately, we gotta find a place to eat these things. It's the one drawback about a motorcycle. What are we gonna do? Just ride around until we find an interesting spot to eat?
So we're going to grip at the top.
COVID, what a pain in the ass you are. Are you f***ing stupid, Prius? They got all the debauchery that's gone down on this table. Cheesesteaks, you know I'll be back, man. I didn't even have to tell you that. So good, so good.